Hi, welcome to the Gerry Lynch show. This is a different video altogether. I don't usually do this, but I'm going to show you guys what I brought today. Only junk food, but I'm going to show you guys what I brought. I brought today down to Walmart Hungry Man. Hungry Man. I got to put you guys over here. I brought Hungry Man. I like the chicken. And the other Hungry Man. I don't usually do this, but I decided to do something different. And I brought the stick of bologna. Hey, bologna. And I brought cartoons, and I brought 50 cents. Oh, yeah. $5. Walmart. $5 for this. 50 classic collection Looney Tunes. Look at this, guys. Classic cartoons, 50. Yeah, every one is on there. The old originals, not that old like 3D animated SHIT is on TV right now. None of that anime shit. Dollarama, I brought some corn twists. I brought more of these. 3 more of these. I love these. I had 2 to that. So I brought them. I don't know why. I think I only buy it for the bell root. I like the vegan chips, but I only buy it for I buy it for them and the sweet potato. Oh my god, they are so good. Dollar store, guys. I'm not sponsored by any of this. And while you're around. Never tried this before, but I'm gonna try it tomorrow with some chicken. I might barbecue some chicken. So, the lime rice. I brought 2 cans of ravioli. Yep, 2 cans. Like I said, I gotta go up and buy like big old pile. Now bars on the other end. I love my chocolate. So I brought some Twix. Brought 2 Twix, right? I brought caramel. The bars that I like. Kit Kat, 2 Kit Kat. And Toffee Crisp. That's what I brought. And I brought my favorite wieners. Oh my god. Them type of wieners. I like them. I don't like Viennas. They are awesome. And last but not least, my favorite candy in the whole wide world. If I had to live off of this, that's all I live off. Peaches. Oh my god, they are awesome. Get some up dollar store, they're $1. Sour peach slices. Oh man, they are so good. Yep, well that's everything what I brought. My bag drawer is like full. Like holy crap. Yeah. Now see what I do now, see guys. What I do, I take that bologna, I'll cut it in 2, put it in 2 Ziploc bags. Watch. Because I won't cut that off and put that full slice because all that'll go waste. I freeze that. I freeze 1 slice and put 1 slice in the fridge. Second slice I'll freeze. Now guys, that I got to put that down in the basement. That's gotta go in the drawer. My bars and my candy go to a separate drawer. That goes garbage. That's too small of a bag, see guys. Cans. Yeah, not cans. Up there. Cans goes up there. That stays here because I'm using that tomorrow. That's rice. This gotta go down the basement. And my CD, I'll open that up after. My chips that goes in the high cabinet. Oh, I need a knife. Needs a knife, guys. Big knife. big purple knife. Remember, guys, put it towards your belly, squat the hair out of it. It won't get freezer burn. The less hair you got in the bag, the better. It won't get freezer burn. That's just a heads up for you guys. That's how you stop freezer burn. More hair you can squat it before you zipper it all across right away, the better it is. Now, that's how to get in the deep freeze. Alright guys, let's go down to the basement and throw that in the deep freeze. My hair is getting so long. Holy crap. Maybe one of those hungry men on the ask now. They're on sale in Walmart, guys. Reason why I did this, guys, somebody requested it on the messenger, on the Facebook messenger. Guys, if anything, I mean, like, anything you want from me to do, request it. Anything at all. Now, if it involves like the law, I'm not doing it, or like me threatening my life, I'm not doing it. But anything else, like go hiking. Now I can go hiking now. I gotta see how much snow is in the woods first. But like I said, anything like around here you want me to do. Holy moly. I think I got enough noodles. Yeah. Chips now and everything else. Hungry man now. Ooh, my bologna gotta go in the fridge. My bologna has a first name, something. That's what this looks like, guys. Had to pack 3-piece chicken, potato, hash. You get 3-piece chicken, potato, brownie, and corn. That's what you get. Pop that in the microwave for, I don't know, probably 94 minutes. What do you guys think? 94 minutes? Yeah. Pop that in the microwave 94 minutes. That should be done by then. Alright, now, I gotta wait on that for 94 minutes, and that's done. And, like I said, who thinks I need a new microwave? Write in the comments below. You think 92 minutes is long on just doing a frozen dinner? Who thinks 92 minutes is too long to do a frozen dinner? Write comments. Oh, I bet I'm gonna get a few comments, or I bet you I'm gonna get some people saying something. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna take off. Hope you loved it. Loved the video. I gotta get doctor's appointment too. I got a skin tag right here, guys, right on my friggin' forehead. It looks like a pimple, but it's not. And I tried to take it off myself, but oh man, it friggin' hurts more than that time I hauled up my tooth. Yeah. What it is, see, it's right in the root, so they'll cut it and they'll burn it. Yeah. But anyways, I'm after. You guys know a big old like mole I had here. Remember that? No, that was right here. That's gone. Remember I did a YouTube video about that. Yeah, I had a big old joint mole right here, guys. And look at it now. It's perfect. Nothing there now. Yeah, nothing there now. I got little tiny ones right here. That's not work, but that gotta go. That gotta go. I gotta talk to Dr. Rich while I'm in St. John's now Wednesday, because Wednesday morning I got a doctor's appointment, see guys. So I mentioned that to him. He might lance that while I'm in there, sir. He might do that when I'm in there. I hope he do. It's only a little cut and burn. That's it. Done. Never going Carbonear Hospital. Just get the little tiny surgery, get that off. Yeah. If I do, like, if I knew, like, I'd be worried about cutting around my forehead because in my mouth I don't care. But when it's outside and it's visible to the public, like, I don't want to leave a hideous scar there. I cut it off myself. I don't want to be at that. No. Plus, I live here by myself, so anything happens, like, I'm pretty much effed. Yeah. Alright, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Love you all. And bye.